fana mo fonni okay ndemo mo lamin fatilati mbota combo is janne combo is tingona minti combo is la tundo mimmo nara woti dol kay jiboro wot mbota sato minto wala mtalo ko tati so fana mo fonnin kelti mi yalon ko nada ka fonnin kelma sango sang December karo kono combo is fonnin kelu ta kafu nyoma dula killing ka karamo fanna jama jibe mi yalon ko ni bota jito asena fa sama ayena fa kabirim bi fawala parce ala nafa ka commencer le well before ibe pare la jam fawala so ndela focus katara damen bake wala agricultural science and entrepreneurship din ko entrepreneurship wolem business oti par business sifa nyaadi lem ni ko entrepreneurship atani business do fara telefona atam business on minti ka problem la jibe tundo nyen kan iba damen to walante ilafta mama na damen e problem ko jibe je miliyan ko wolle bije yaaji bo problem ni ita bol jaara la nyaadi le o jaaro nyen kono e ka ko do so wala ko so mbe wala kono bare abe data nata fonnin kelu semmento ya nyalem anen be fonnin kel la ko sammandu la nyaadi le nyaato anen tel fonnin kel fana be tarno la kuto nyaadi le asara mantara depending moka.
Okay, so ngajele comme like combo is tundor jang niatra mol 40 will be doing kan service o kono wala teachers wala ku ka ku dul mangal but it prefer ka dun entrepreneurship ka raw material star yalon comme like material o abe combo is janne bo sai wala ibitala dudal do to ka wo sang niatra ye wo sang ya dada comme niatra ye wo dada fana yawa fi combo is jang so ñim material comme like comme kan iba mo explain comme ya fa yowol fa nan fay material jumale ka iba fenkela ibita kan ka ila production ñin dada
okay ni nara material sol la karola jannimbe wo fango fola follow njamala kata karammo to kata school nga karanga ji o ko lan kana tarajang adi an mbe katara depend kam min ka wala salary ti so kana je do fanan ka ji school ata university ke ji university lafta du ko minna ab ko sotono bari londo babul mi yalo ko asa ko do sotono wala bari ni aje ab ko keno because abe imma be mirakanne ninga nyum commencer molbe mina falan na ko to walante molbe jela nyaade de 40 ko lambe siri ndamin ke diami yende tata school le njita grade 12 ko lanta University of the Gambia mi yalon ko nga English mejo je nga agriculture maynoji bari na mama na kulu warta min to bake wala mo agriculture karu ngaje ko wala mon tefana ye bundati mi yalon ko nse ku commencer no jere ayatara mantra semmere mola wolto nganyim processing business o commencer food processing business o kaddu kulade da ko mbar nga focus o kambake because bringa na market research ngalon ko namolu jama babije ndela research min tan na wala nyitiko na susula dinde wala jama babije ni funtande sunjoto instead of kata mono de ye fo memoro yori comme ça ko non dola na bi hani bi ndel mo dinde ngoti bare at least nka men jeno bi nyin afresco le kata nyin conflict sol musol ko le sang anen ni wol jibe fa nek expensive le yena ko mo is musol la soto bulo jibe gambe musol la soto bulo jibe gambe musol kata gadinol te do ko ke wokola elo gadin fango ya wafi yana fen sangala mi yalon ko kabo elo gadin fango le fango so ngaje ko ninga nyin de da commencer nka dukula de dan ka wafi fango la molma wo batin nale ya tanka nyin afresco sangola wato wati ya tanka katara nyin conflict sol sanna mi yalon ko man da jam nin arano afresco mi yalon ka kada nyin banku na kanjang wala de complex lo mi yalon ka kada nyin banku na kanya wote kala problem ti because mbaje da ko gambe di ngole ba to kan anen abadili la dalla mi yalon ka be sonyala so wala nante kabrim pareta university ngamin try nganna market research dake berga na market research kem pareta na daje ko ba wonte lafta capitalize la agriculture la karola wodo sembe mina kala pour ka joweta ko man business o register ba nganna business o nga register nga name ko suturamba katala agro business ni ajen ko suturamba katala agro business in mandinka because mba katala nga sutura this is what I paid as suturamba katala it means mba katala nga sutura. You understand? Ninga kata fon suturata mbe sutura no la nyaadi le wala mbe lula domoro la ko nin lota domoro la kuoto domoro la bundato agriculture la bundato doron nin ila dinno kono ba fare nada karamuda ba karanna la nyama lafta fengo fen nan ba so la nin na agriculture betendi banku nin ko pour ngata nyaato nga yurwa soto ndel lata nyina ko na agriculture nen da betiala na jada kende ay betia na karango ay betia banila agriculture betia ila karango betia ila jada kende ay betiala karon sasa femba mi yalan ko wala kan tel lamol soto a femba ba dendin na do morol so banni fa wala ka deda e fa wala ka kati raw from ila production to ibala betial so wala na bringa suturam ba katala agro business so bringa start da min ke wala ke lemonol graft mole because modul bije e kala fi lemonol le la kankan kono bare mina ke la problem oti lemono e ka aje ko akamele so banni lemono graft na siyara sanji sabadoro wakatara ba diun ke kan ibala tine de mokam kamol encourage ke makoy yela gadinol de market yela bedol dida anenta dida la nyaadile ka try mole milialon ko ila gadino at least akita nyawnya alla waro may futa nyinto membe korendila pour ka compose magnota après gadino besi ni na musol la gadinol jibe ka gadinol meltala nyotema jambandi boto takunna ife mbala gadino full jambandi boto so jambandi boto titano gadino minto aman sense make prum bama nyol ka kuduta ka kaf nyokam kara aka inorganic manyo sang pour kara ka woto follow abe fifo yintar yandilale bari inorganic manyo mbele alon nam musul katara nyamen gadino to bi kabring bulol kama fe wala nyaade jambando fe katara musul ba sare katara glofte buloto ni prete buloku dinon samano o be tarde ndiro la kala nasiro bundal le yallanna jata kende ala bundal so ngaje ko woto na try bang wati ni wati ka kafujo kam bang kafuta musulma ila ganno to nki mako bang ngi train bay ka compose manyo de da nyaadi le ayatara e mang fenkol use e may inorganic manual use e bay le c'est la own compost manual use abol kono ngaje ko mol kati bak sang bitikol to so bari burul bi jammili alan ko ni ko ila musoli ko ala fajindi nka mol je waro wati modol ka dung nyola la fang e ko alnyim bor kare fajindi nyal jamma ka don fajindi nye isa ko he damma ka don fajindo o be ta ellal say but for maybe 1 hour 2 hours konto kono rek last minute ul kono ila la mari la fi pour que ti ba ko ta dia mari la so da ka tara mari man tara la firing worti bak nyim fangola so but moringa juice bi jemi an ko mun be dayol ti ifango ya bondi woto moringa ta yeti ba ko dida ay tare bulu jang moliya sangi ma jam fangoto ya je ibade da ka nyami o kola ya use jam fangoto nin jamba kata ngolong ya ke titi nin nebe dayo nin jamba kata isa jaka seno ya ke la ti bakti ay nafa na fangol la jam so abatara de da kan jannato abatara tine kan jannato so wo tembolo naraje comme ça ko then abe important na bakele pour nganyem process and business o nyem commencer yeah
so ñin tembo kono comme ibi janne ka ñin campion mabe so ibe inata nin ila protocol ñin pour ka mol itandi ñin abe kerine combo is jansai so business o bita ka nyaadi le
business o alhamdulillah entrepreneurship starting waro wada katara wala nyam was biringa start newly ninga min process lu min waka bawulu fangolal so but the product ñim fana is heavy kuliara is ita expect no la moye fula sangi bulu wo samo fo ngana do sam because if on kal na kata banno 500 grams of dukula mi yalon ko yade danin tiola anin tubanyo anin soso anin mano anin nyo anin tamari ni do bondinde direct aka kuliyale aka kono fa juna ngamira kampla force di ya jele paquet fula damma yolde la e do bondinde la fa fula nyango nyankan saba nyango to jamal to je fa mo use back but momi yo min wasiya batal fondinki min damma yo min jang wasiya batal so e kaje comme ça ko wala neta expect no comme ça ko nim moya sangi bulubi sama fane bita jaman ko business sifati ne kilin sang aka terrible for some time ni dam mannem especially intella jangalo ni jila ma fa ngol normally mol ka imma da samolti wala nte sima
so ñin tembo kono comme like ila production ni minister of health kalamta ñi ila bagaso ñi wala wol man kalamta wol ni atra ya dadale comme iba examine le min tole comme mol yalo ñi ila production mi abe a jarta kende atale
Okay, products will coming examined through the Ministry of Health. Womanke. Membi yerek wala nyinte ko this is the second week of the issue. So but kabring nga start the process nga may use because after the processing nga janemba processing fong start la feren nan tara nga tra nga business onya register. Beri nga register ni na registration kay do tara mundole ndara bir kama area council directly. Nyin kama purun kanta kuke membe luwa wali nyoala. So area mi ko is this business and it about start kanne. So you don't know the rules and regulations there. So it's inquiry ke back. That become area council because atra module konye ko in the license short lal. Birim for the wala ata tane kom sako. To have a business license you must have a specific shop. You understand? And then it is just this November. Sabada is sango bantale. You cannot pay for this year because sango bantale stand for next year. So after that, Joroning or inquiring, nara nang I have a very good eldam yanko is a public health agent. Ofanan nara silul dul tandina, midan ko nente wolle use la rukaje ko na business oning, a link health la polye taranyokon. But the truth is currently mang futa was taking into at the moment. But mba process nying konole with that public health officer nying pro ayem makoy so that the law bridge la inte bankola luante fenti nyalaji mba mek solale pro business o nying ayta kaira kono and then fanang molla jata kenya womun na concern lati because nka wa fi milma wol mum fangol la molla. So in everywhere in this country nina product of rada dawada iba jala ko mba wa kam fangole because Gambia we are one. Gambia kalon dami kontel we are one. Ni kachata jarrek. If I tell you 2 people in your village, the 2 people in our village, wakata ke mol bilanko, they are already intermarried, mol fudu tanyo. So Gambian cannot harm a Gambian, especially ni business okon. And then ngana product ko di mem fanana, nka make sole, ngana contact number sol be tandila, so that near domo. If you feel anything, you call me and give me a feedback. If you don't call me, because of at this started, I make sure my credit goes up. Niya sandro, hindi kayo number ta. If you don't call me the following day, I call you. Kenyan income. Because no more problem. So any recommendation, I will put it into consideration. So the other grafting service la ninga ka moye, I make sure after 2 weeks, ngatangela ngana do ko jibe. Whether it is going fine, wala man rata kan fine. Mil succeed ta ngata dila wala beto la nyaali le pour kana mil yalon ko e man succeed nga make so will regraft. So when it comes to compost preparation, when we prepare a compost, nka make sure that nimba compost kala dawo da mole, especially if it is a community garden, nga mo so to yemi yalon ko aba observe la frequently.
Okay, so nyinte mboko no comme like ila production ni iba wafi kanne ibi finti kan ni mo molka. So since idete ka nyinde da ka wafi. So ye mol soto comme like mumbe order la wala imam mol soto follow mumbe la bagaso order la.
Kada bagaso order waka kele because mfanan ni molle karanta nyokan and ni molle jira nyokan and then some people will fanan kan kolle ya fonye ko e ko ka serial soto le mole en direct ya. And then niya fonye nke nyininka if you want delivery service na deliver ye if at all if fongo bina kamala le ina ya kama. And then I'm making best use of my WhatsApp status also because normally if it is not come from ning come from thing ning kata Brikama I send it early morning come so I will be at Brikama, I will be at Maninaba. You understand? There are customers from Milialonko will they deliver it weekly, all are fixed there. Yeah. Some people can bring a business on you start naming realize when you because some people will book a mano de masuko. So and they were using other things, but bring a direct na product or can bring a start car I use, so they make it a choice. So you can feel like do will order. Yeah, I have orders.
Okay, no problem. So nyinte mboko no comme ya explain ye mol fay comme iba dada ka nyaadile ila bagasol iba san kam wala iba ta kam mintole.
Okay. Ni nata tubanyola. Tubanyo mo fende mi yalan ko delgate do kule. so ni nata nyola ngata sanne nga nyosang jam fangol to fangol senelal bul soso wonyo ninga soso fanan sanko jogo mano fanan ngado kule nke mano ke nyame nimbe pot fla use la lugo minna ka mek so ning American rice body kono mano nga ata use 1 cup nga bara mano use 1 cup. So at the beginning I was using like that, but yeah bara mano ata fanan ka buile na tabita, and then I say most of it is made in this country ata ka doku banko fangola kam. So where na mfangole bara mano min doku I am using that now nke bara mano use.
So ye masingo soto la wala ye masingo.
Yeah, anka production le fanin tio ma tio sam fangola mol le bulu fana tamari ko sang brikamale have a specific person mi yalla ko tamari sang atalebul. So nadu kula min katar je wonon tioti tubanyo soso mano nyo anin tamari in the same product dukula killing kono wala ka taraji.
So that's mean if you are buying 1 packet of that let me see
If you are buying 1 packet of this,
so if you buy 1 packet of this, it seems like all what you have said it is combined above
abeba kono exactly abola nyam. You understand? So nka fe tol nyam so ninga order soto fana nke nyinen kala narno like dol biye ka order nan ali comme la keba letendi yalon ka keba mol soto koral kono tende. So niya afenke nan puru nyin keba la mol nke nyinen kala if you will like moringa dia ka ne bidayo ke jele mi yalon ko if you ni ba do maka you will not feel comme moringa biye, but it will have effect on you. You understand? Because muka asian ka kanyan biye why effect soto je doron because yalon ne bidayo beti ata baka atam borol.
Okay, so ye masingo soto le wala imam masingo soto comme like iba use kan kadi dada.
Okay, masingo ning ayatar nung small quantity lemo nimbe min de la mansia bo masingo bambulle do ni ma blender do bamulu is a powerful blender war mambalem a wartale woka atunole but ning amansia bon na asiara I have a brother mi yalon ka te masingo soto le. So I make so ning ata jita do ko la already I jururoke already apareta that's the time kana nga masingo be fita senia kana ngana dukula tu but nata mantra dukula fana hanata ni order kenye nka ko ni mala comme so ko like thing dukula nga de dale bari ma tu follow because ning ataba ko payre rek muka sama masin doto because man la fini nga sama masingo mi yalon ko amari kan nyotuol ning bantiol ning turol keje so mun ko ina taraje ate fane na wo tarawula ina mix. You understand? So wala na nyinno mfon wala kataje masingo nga yele nga kono fita fa senia set o kola nga atu ka make so any other mun ko kana kafama je akana banko so this is what I do.
So sang imun soto iba fo kan comme mol mumbe bande jena mumbe tol jube ka comme like ela production nyin ko aning involving on the entrepreneurship. So ye mol soto comme comme like yemun train wala imam mol soto comme yemun train.
Sensing ning mol be do ko lele because killing ni nata wafiro nyin na karola jibe mol bi yele fana million ko nka na production di lele fana ka wa kan they are making profit out of it. Ni nata train la ndali na junior one leba kan and then now alhamdulillah they are also good at it. Ni nata dugula processing will fana say sa kenul handing ay taron teman talaki. So and then current convergence in and currently at the entrepreneurship class ming will fana ba session so kande on this processing mi alon ko sama mbok mas dale bi nga theory parlement so sama we will be on practical. Yeah, so funding kill isamin fono funding ke be wala nyindi ko nga make sure bang na theoretical knowledge nga practicalize mo jamale ka ji nyimban ko la school of agriculture but mo jelle yalon ko milan ko ifan sun gadi no fango be bul e ka agric student no ja jita school and then abe searing aman do ko so we saw them is either from college or from university but aman tra do ko la wala jita agriculture but yana je abe do ko le apply kam fong mi yalon ko ani agriculture mo nyoso to fenna and then the country Until alay nema bala kentele.
It seems like on the agricultural sector, more concept munsoto, come like Wolbafokan, come Senegal, they are the most poorest people. So one problem with it. But near you become like Senegal fanan, wala income and jede, because it's very hard to see someone who is having a product and he is handicap, regarding like he doesn't have money. You understand? So Nyamira come like the concept they have on the farmers, they are poor. So that's the problem.
Nte ma mera ko ko like the concept lem problem moti. But Gambia ni a jibe fala. Gambia fangole senlal ko nyama. Gambia seno ka fuaro la uniform moti. So and then yes seno ke fuaro la uniform moti, it is obvious ko ibe multi la tendil le pro yedu sene ko. Because nyaaji be mil be seno la wato wati kamil moy ila ko to radio to anen television to ila interview to ka complain o doronnet. Gambia dal fo say mano amanke domoro doronte nyimbanko kam. Bar mano mu basic need lati intel la nyimbanko kam. Because it are korra ibu katilo boye ma mano jiji. Especially na kondong. So ni wo mo banko menti ane no banko alena ta nema ba fulake ye wolon fatal lanti anen na river Gambia. So but still intel ba mano import kanne nka mano min import, I don't think that thing import mi yalon ka siata ko mi mano be nyame. Ning ayatarunum bi mano le mankera nyam. The whole country will feel it. Bola na mano adasa sele nyonya bari nenta amale ko mol betu kare mano bija kari saba kare na mamba. Very rare antene na maje. You understand? So ning wobe caring isaje biti gol to smendo le mankeje smendo ka manke ay me. But mano ni wo manke da meta banko bele ba banko bele mama. You understand? But say for mano aka doku na banko kan ne bango nyama ba. You understand? Mil ba mano doku kan ina ko mosi ya mil ba doku kan ya mano doku ya kati just for harvest mano start ka soron ni so le duje. Do you think that person will go? So until socially we are socially corrupt than economic corruption. Because socially na jikol lenen ta falin na mirror towards things nga wol fanam falin. And then Ministry of Agriculture jibe bang ibe funding kill encourage la nyalle pour ye convince to be on farming. If agricultural problem was solved in this country, education na problem was solved. Ning agricultural problem was solved in this country, migration na problem was solved. Because nyaje mbebi takang. If Gambia is farming a lot, Gambia parita do kola anyama, Gambia funding kill wulta, ngaje ko, ngamen karang mu al nga practicalize. Masa kunda ya muti fi. Bro, ita mol jela proketa nyim bagwe la ta easy la. Niaje ngara bagwe. Ndeni ita bijang 2 or 3 years. Menyokang. Not living kabrinda childhood friend, but menyokang for 2 or 3 years. And then iti ndeka innovative ideal mil bondinang. Wolle bete inspire kam fong. All of a sudden, miji ngaje tata bagwe, everybody started hailing you. Ndabijang. So at the end, nkaje kumso ko ifele ba bumbalo ka understand. So that feelings akalumulla, it is motivating some of people to embark on this tragic journey.
Okay, so what do you have to tell the public?
I think the public should start adopting that entrepreneurship mindset to know that these youths deserves empowerment and motivation. If you think youths are empowered in this country, yes, some youths are well empowered, but some are actually not empowered. Idingo min tamata, economics and idingoti miyalong kabijang. This is really contributing to the downfall of our society. So memin katala wala nyinte ko, memin fola especially wululali, follow idingo kana kumase juna ka nyinin ka responsibility cool. You see momo responsibility but momo kundo. Anytime and he become responsible, or let's see become responsible, halima faila responsibility ka bakelal. But idingo back school, especially in Molda, the favorite grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, it a 1 to eka maria ko if long level bungalow. If long 11, allow flongol Are they route being used? Did they use the same routes? This is the question. But until la community, especially until la jamma fawlu, mi yalon ko ngole lon wala nan ka a use mo nyama bake. Ibaje la idingo aba struggle kan aba la kato ke kan karan kono. But ikani mul compare mi yalon ko wol man tra karan ko.
No, yeah.
You understand? So and then ate
Well, better become like business school.
you understand, yeah.
Yeah.
So needing of an
Fast money is only happen on business.
exactly. So even business there is no fast money. You have to struggle harder at the beginning. Ila success. More call you know the problem, the reason why more have a business fast money labije. There's no fast money in business. People don't see your struggling moments. In yakela success they give. So we keep eyeing on their success stories in Gavako, got fast money also. But Kabraba grand Kampuka Fotola. What he faced. People forget about that one. So success in the money. You understand it? We can say if that is the case, we can say education there is fast money. How many people graduated from university? They went straight to their masters and now they are having their good jobs and they are doing well.
Yeah.
So if you look at only that one, you forget about their struggle from primary school to senior school to tertiary institution. Do you think you are fair to them?
No.
You are not fair to them. So more than that, more better minna in various community. Yeah, but okay.
Yeah.
Ni dingo be yara mechol la aman jari buso ci kay dingo kama ka forcer pour kara karambo ngoro no aduma duma fi make sure ay karam la valu long na karam la valu long wobe sembo di la mechol la this is what you do bari kaje dingo be yara mechol minna ya bonno mechol ya forcer karam la adi en nata da force ya menta akeni ay dabo karam ko fongotole ibu kana samano karam la o mechol alafta no minna bu ko fon
Santo da mala da jabis ni sukuro la. Fali akalam tala mama.
e ka dodi dalin tamare
Duma be ka ke sukur ken sangal di event fani yani. So ni o si ba je before you use it. Me ba ni le bor no. Ibi mo yo mensa me ene pesa. Ture. Na. Dawa digiri ni na ta. Na yoga skla. Masih na
Arrival of the convergent campaign here at Coloro. So today, since in the morning you are with the students, can I like if I'm to ask you regarding the process you have been done, and one of them is Dougla, and I can see that also Kakumba US, and the third process also. Can you tell us about that?
Okay, today, Alhamdulillah, first, I am grateful to be chosen among many to be part of the facilitators for today's practical session on food processing. Yeah, there's just an entrepreneurship class where we have done the theoretical part at the beginning, and today we are on practical. Almost now we are done, and then tomorrow we will just be on completion of it. And then today the products we practicalized, the one way process was Dukula, that is cereal plus. I call it Nutrimix. You understand? Because it have a lot of things, even more than cereals. Because we have maize, millet, you have rice, you have beans, you have dates, and you have groundnut. Then rice also is there. So that's too much. It is cereal plus. And then we are commonly call it Dukula. From there, we process cucumber juice, and then we process moringa juice also. And then we process what we call pepper sauce also. So looking at this, it is to help us just close the gap in the horticultural field. If it comes to destined processing, it helps you close the gap in the horticultural field. When I said it as in agriculture, we understand that there are so many fruits and so many vegetables in this country that we see seasonal. But if this processing is done by many young Gambians, and then especially women, and then just at the youthful age, if it is done by them and if we take it seriously, we are definitely going to close that gap. Because if you look at this pepper, cucumber, moringa, and other things, at some time of the season, you don't see them. But if they are processed by you and you have them that can stay for 1 year or more than that, if well preserved, then we can have them continuously, and then we will have have the flavor of our fruits continuously anytime we want. So Alhamdulillah, I am also very grateful and thank you to Kida. Yeah.
Yeah, I know it has been a hectic day during the this practical since in the morning, with some of the students and also like especially you people, and probably to Kida also, being having a process, practical processes like this, it is not an easy thing to have the people on the ground and to have more than 2 to 3 programs you are taking on or doing as a practical here. So it's not going to be an easy thing. But like right away, as I told you, so what will you advise the students?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I am also here as an organizing committee member of KIDA, this year's convergence. This is something, what I will advise my comrades is that let us see KIDA as the university. Yes, we all go to universities, different universities, but being a son of Combo is also another thing. One could be very proud of being a member of Combo East, especially if you are youth, because you come across so many opportunities. Honestly speaking, somebody who attended today's class can start his or her own business right away from here, and then you will be earning something. You understand it?
Yeah.
As I told you last time, we cannot all graduate from university and start applying for job when we have a lot of things to do. This is why some of the things we complain about, some of the things when we did not have it, we started talking about a lot. But they are right beneath our seats, our feet. But why don't we see it? But this convergence is definitely helping over 300 young people from every corner of this country. We have people who are following combined activities from Baseto here. Yes, we have that one here. We have witnessed those.
So today, since the students were here with you, what will you advise them to continue with this entrepreneurship and what they should do and also to achieve their goals, especially in the pepper processing and also moringa processing, likewise dugula processing.
Yeah, they are all my comrades. What I will advise my comrades is that let us all be consistent. Let us have vision and have a mission. If we know our mission and we know our vision, then it will be our passion. And when our passion meets with our career, we will never quit. We can only get everything right if we did it right. But we cannot reach there without sacrifices, without patience, without consistency. I would advise each and every comrade to be consistent if you want to take this path to be a young entrepreneur. As an aspiring entrepreneur, you must take risk. You must have patience. You must know how to play your cards so that, because taking risks doesn't mean you have to be there always being in traumas and mistakes, but you have to know exactly how to avoid risk. You have to avoid it unless if you find them. So doing that normally it is always an adventurous journey. So in adventurous journey, you must go through near misses, succeed, and then you can even lose alongside the way. So the only advice is let us all be consistent.